Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Today's video is about best Android launcher. It's customizable pixel launcher named as Lawnchair. It has lot of options. So let's start with the video and see how it works. Open Google Play Store on your mobile. Search for the Lawnchair launcher. Install it. Let's see its features. Launcher brings pixel features to the masses. Google Now integration, Android Oreo shortcuts, icon pack support, variable icon size, custom grid size, dock customization, adaptive icons, blur, and much more. It's updated on 10 June 2018. Launcher is installed now. Open it. Here its new look. Here are the apps. Long press on the screen, and here is widgets and wallpapers. Settings, theme, use pixel icons, animate clock icon, theme, weather, blur option, go back, desktop, customize your desktop, show pixel search bar, use white Google icon, wide search bar, Google search pill, hide icons, number of column, number of rows, icon scale, icon text scale, full width, widgets, central wallpaper, dock, you can customize your dock, height scale, 2-row dock, custom dock, show arrow, icon scale, dock uses wallpaper colors, transparent dock, app drawer, you can customize your app drawer, number of columns in drawer, number of rows in drawer, icon scale, icon text scale, padding scale, hidden apps, spring effects, behavior, you can change the behavior, pinch to overview, screen rotation, pull down action, light status bar, and much more. Backup and debug, backup settings, ask for permissions, create new backups or restore, deny the access, debug, restart launcher. So you see, these launchers have lot of customization according to your use. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.